for the school bus. Warning lights on. Blinking red lights on. Stop sign.
Oh, looks like Dash is late.
Hurry up. Oh no, I'm late. Hurry, hurry. Good morning, come in.
Good morning.
Wait! Rule number 1, don't be late. I'm sorry that I'm late. Come on in. Alright, let's get the others. Buckle up. Rule number 2, no running in the bus.
Sorry.
Kids, it's very important to be seated while the bus is moving.
All done.
Good morning, Alice.
Hi.
No. Food is not allowed.
Sorry.
Go in. Wow! All set for school? Yay!
I'm bored. Dash and catch.
Who did this?
Oopsies.
Kids, no playing ball on the bus. And don't distract the driver, it's dangerous.
Sorry.
I'm so bored. Huh? No littering, kids. Sorry. Now pick up the trash, please. Kids, we arrived to school. Go one at a time, please. Diego, wait.
What?
Didn't you forget anything?
Oh, yes, I forgot my backpack.
Kids, don't forget your stuff on the bus, especially your backpack. Have a great day at school! Hello, teacher.
Hi kids, today we're gonna do an experiment about density.
Oh wow, what is density?
Density tells us how heavy is something compared to its size. Dense things sink and less dense things float. First, let's put some water into the glass. Then we add an equal amount of syrup.
Syrup? I love syrup.
And last, we need to add some oil. Now we need to wait a couple minutes for them to separate.
Wow.
As you can see, these liquids have different densities. Syrup has the highest density, so it stays at the bottom. And oil has the lowest density, so it rises to the top. Guys, you may come closer now. Are you ready to start the second part of the experiment?
Yes!
We're going to put different objects into this glass and observe what happens. Alright, Dasha, go ahead and put your metal nut into the glass.
Whoa, it sank.
Yes, the metal nut sank to the bottom because it's denser than all of the liquids. Yeva, it's your turn.
I'll put the grape.
Huh?
Why did this happen?
This happened because the grape is more dense than the oil and less dense than the water. And the Lego piece goes through the oil and sits at the water. Now it's time for sponge pieces. Let's all drop them together.
Wow!
The sponges stay at the very top because all of the liquids are denser.
Cool, now I know what's density.
Alright kids, class is over. Time for lunchtime.
Yay!
See you!
Hey girls, check it out. I have a Minecraft themed lunchbox.
And today I have food in Mario style.
Dasha, what do you have?
My food is in Lego style today.
Would you like to share, girls?
I think it's a great idea. Okay, let's do it.
Ooh, what is this? It has rice in it. Let's try it.
I'm gonna try this Lego head.
Everything tastes better when you share it.
Hi class, and today we're playing football. But first, we'll do a warm-up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dasha, you're in my team. We go on the left side, and you guys on the right side. Let's go. Dasha, where are you going? The ball is this way.
Huh?
Oh, Dasha, what have you done?
Don't worry, I'll fix this.
Okay, let's see.
I told you.
Remember, kids, always follow school bus rules and stay safe.
Look at my dinosaur.
Wow! Oh no!
Guys, who left us here?
Hey? Huh? Hey? Hey? Huh? Hey? Uh-oh.
Oh no, what's going on? Help me, I'm trapped. Faster, guys, please.
Ivan, how can we help you?
I don't know.
You need to complete 6 challenges to save Ivan.
Guys, we have to complete the task to save Ivan.
Guess the flavors of the drinks.
Okay, no worries, I'm a pro.
Orange.
Grape? Candy? Tastes like blueberry. Lemon and mint? Kiwi? Chocolate. Ew. Is this spinach or something? Tastes like lemon. The last one. I'm so full.
I already named everything I could think of. Think. Maybe apple juice. Yay! Ivan, I've completed the first task.
Well done, Maria. Now you can try to pop the red balloons. Yeah! Maria, keep going. Yeah! Thank you, Maria.
Guess what's inside the boxes.
Wish me good luck. Oh, it feels so good. Is it sound? Kinetic sound.
Oh my god, it's moving! Maybe it's alive!
It's a toy spider? Fine. Okay, what's next? This is soft. Oh, right. These are feathers. Sponge? No. Washcloth. Of course it's aquarium. Oh. Easy. I think it's squishy toys. So relaxing. That was an easy challenge. Ivan, I passed the second challenge.
Great job, Maria! Now you can pop the orange balloons! Thank you!
Sort healthy and unhealthy food.
Okay, let's go. Trust, not healthy. Donuts, not healthy. Apple, healthy. Cake, not healthy. Strawberry, not healthy.
Mm-mm.
Uh-oh. Aha! Yeah! Banana, healthy. Cherry, not healthy. Marshmallow, healthy.
Mm-mm.
Uh-oh, let's change it. I complete third challenge.
Wow, nicely done, Dasha! You can pop the yellow balloons now!
Yeah!
Thank you, Dasha!
Sort kitchen and medical stuff.
Whoa! Oh, what is this? Aha!
Great job, Alex! Now you can pop the green balloons! Thank you, Alex! 2 more colors to go!
Dissolve cotton candy in the water and find all the toys.
Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Spider-Man. Wow! Second one.
balloons.
All right.
Thank you, Dasha.
Find all the toys in the slime.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's start from the first one. I found something. Number 2. Wow. Number 3. Number 4. Where is it? Number 5. Number 6. Unicorn. And the last one, number 7. Something big. Hooray! I've completed the last challenge!
Yeah!
Ivan, we've completed the last task!
Great job, guys. You can give this to me. I will pop the purple balloons. Thank you guys for saving me.
We've got your back, bro.